Hello, we are the Bring a Trailer local partners for the San Francisco Bay Area, and we want to introduce you to this lovely 1958 Morgan Plus 4 in Brooklands green with black fenders. This is an alumni car. Our client purchased it on Bring a Trailer in October of 2021. It was the subject of a comprehensive restoration, and records and a photo album of that restoration go along with this car. We'll tell you more about it after a cold start and a quick drive. The 1958 Morgan Plus 4 is a quintessential example of that classic British sports car design, a handcrafted gem that combines classic styling with spirited performance. As we mentioned, this 1958 Morgan Plus 4 was purchased by our client on Bring a Trailer from British specialist Sierra Classic Sports Car in Northern California. The restoration was performed in the mid-90s. The previous owner had the carburetors rebuilt in 2018, and the current owner has taken great care of this car. They have spent over $7,000 in maintenance, including rebuilding the top of the engine. This is a simply lovely car that looks and drives great. The top, side curtains, and tonneau all fit well. It's live on Bring a Trailer, and for more information, please visit us at genauautowerks.com. Thank you very much.